The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore-Tight Toner is a well-loved skincare product on the market today. So in this video, we're diving into the benefits of this toner, as well as how to use it correctly and sharing the crucial do's and don'ts so you can maximize its benefits. The Glow Recipe Viral Toner contains 7 key ingredients. The first ingredient is watermelon extract, rich in amino acids, and this natural extract really helps to hydrate, soothe, and diminish the signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Next is cactus water, known for its electrolytes and amino acids. It not only hydrates deeply, but it's also responsible for the toner's unique bouncy texture. Then we have PHA, known as polyhydroxy acids, and these gently exfoliate the skin by removing dead skin cell buildup, smoothing the skin texture without causing irritation. Then we have our BHA, which helps to target the pores and blackheads with its deep penetrating oil-soluble properties, which will help to clear out the impurities. Next, we have hyaluronic acid, which is known as a humectant, helping to retain moisture to keep the skin plump and hydrated. We also have cucumber, which helps to cool and hydrate the skin. And finally, tea tree extract, known for cleansing the pores and soothing irritation for a clearer complexion. Even though this toner contains hydrating ingredients, it still contains acids and should not be used daily. So instead, what we recommend is to use the toner 2 to 3 times per week as your exfoliation method. But here's how to use in your skincare routine. You want to start with a clean face, so using a gentle cleanser that doesn't contain any acids. You then want to make sure that you pat your skin dry. Then you're going to pour a small amount of the toner into your palms or onto a cotton pad, and then apply that over your face, neck, and décolletage, avoiding the eye and lip area. You then want to continue on with your normal skincare routine, which includes your water-based serums, next to your oils, and then of course moisturizer. If you're using this during the day, make sure that you do wear sunscreen. But here are some do's and don'ts that you should know about when it comes to using this toner. We do recommend that you do conduct a patch test to ensure that your skin is suitable for the product. Do apply sunscreen during the day, as the exfoliating ingredients can make your skin more sun sensitive. Don't over exfoliate, so use the product 2 to 3 times per week. It is an exfoliating product. You don't need to exfoliate every single day. And don't mix with retinol or benzoyl peroxide. You want to use those separately. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Toner is definitely a crowd favorite. By incorporating these tips and the do's and don'ts, you should have a really great result from using the product. If you're looking at learning more about skincare, then definitely check out this playlist here next.